Now, the first thing you should know about reforming a code base is you want to understand the Chesterson principle. It's a fallacy. A guy comes around, he sees a fence, he says, there's no use for this fence, I'm going to take it away. And the manager says, okay, well, if you don't see the use for this fence, then I'm not going to let you take it away. You can't change something you don't understand the use for. Why is that code base the way it is? If you can tell me that, then maybe I can let you reform it. You may have dependencies for each thing you're changing. Let's say you're not converting your code base from Angular to React, for example. You're just making a widget different or something along those lines. There might be a financial cost to this. How much CPU time is being allocated to the refractor? There might be a personal cost to this. How much engineering effort is being put on the line? What does it cost to get the go on the action? There might be an opportunity cost to this. What else could you be doing with your time instead of refactoring this code base? This extends to the dependencies, which could include your teammates, the managers. What could they be doing with their time instead of focusing on this change? What do your users think? Production is the highest cost you can have for a bug. A user might get an error for something as simple as converting to hooks. What is the cost of converting to something like that? You might run into some societal cost. You might run into some opportunity cost. These are things to keep in mind.